Does equity play a part in your retirement portfolio? Is equity preferable in your retirement portfolio? If so, how? To gain more knowledge on this, we have our industry expert Mr. Satish Prabhu with us. Satish, please enlighten us on the role of equity in our retirement portfolio.
uh, I would say that remember that superannuation or retired life, if you have retired at 60, because of medical science today, you have a lifespan of somewhere close to 90 years. So you need to have money for at least 30 years after you retire, which is a very long period. And I would say that don't think about retirement corpus to be only in debt funds. I feel that that is incorrect. That those who park or those who put all their money in debt or safer investments the moment they retire, I feel that is incorrect because inflation will catch up. And if you are spending a lakh of rupees at the age of 60, you are likely to spend close to around 4 lakh of rupees, which is uh, 4 times the money when you touch 90 years. So inflation will catch up, and your investment in debt may not be able to survive. So ideally, the money should survive you, you know, than you surviving, but the money not survive. So that's the reason I feel that equity allocation in a retirement corpus is very important, because that will be on a case to case basis. But my limited take will be that do not ignore equity allocation in your retirement corpus, because you have 30 years of retirement, and inflation can, you know, can reduce your returns.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.